In this video, we are going to see 4th Standard English Term 3 Unit 1 Lesson 1 The 7 Seeds. Before getting to the lesson, let us see some words and their meanings. Kingdom, a region ruled by a king. Flourished, developed in a healthy way. Revered, respected. Aging, getting old. Adopt, legally take and bring up. Leader, head. Nurture, care and protect and grow. Anxious, eager. Destiny, fate. Behold, see. Let us get into the lesson now. The 7 Seeds. Long ago, there was a kingdom at foothills of Anaimalai. The kingdom flourished in trade and arts under the rule of their king's rule. He was respected and revered by all. It has been 30 years under his rule now. One day, the aging king woke up worried. He was getting very old and had no heir to take his place. He decided to adopt and raise a child as the heir, but he knew that the adopted child must be honest. The 7 seeds. You all know what is a seed? Yes. A baby plant grows from a seed. Long ago, there was a kingdom at the foothills of Anaimalai. Kingdom means a region ruled by a king. The kingdom flourished in trade and arts under the rule of their king's rule. So the kingdom was developed in trades and arts, and the kingdom was under the rule of their king. He was respected and revered by all. Revered means respected by everyone. It has been 30 years under his rule now. So he was ruling the kingdom under 30 years. One day, the aging king woke up and worried. Aging means getting old. So one day he woke up and worried. Do you know why he worried? Let us see. He was getting very old and no one is there to hire to take his place. Yes, after the king, someone has to take his place, isn't it? So he decided to adopt and raise a child as the heir. So he decided to adopt a child. Adopt means legally take a child and bring up. So he decided to take a child and bring up. But he knew that the adopted child must be honest. Do you know why the child must be honest? Yes, after the king, the child will become a king or queen, isn't it? To find a child, he held a competition in his kingdom that was open to all. The competition had many levels and spanned for nearly 6 months. At the end of it, 5 boys and 5 girls made it to the very last round. There seemed little to separate them. Each one of them was intelligent, strong and capable. If the king wanted to adopt a child means he has to find a child. So he held a competition in his kingdom. That competition was open for all. All the children can participate. The competition had many levels and conducted for nearly 6 months. At the end, 5 boys and 5 girls selected for very last round. There seemed little to separate them. Each of them was intelligent, strong and capable. The king said, I have one last test for you all. The one who passes this test will be the winner. As you all know, the winner will be the heir to my throne. He continued, our kingdom depends on agriculture. So the new leader must know how to grow plants. Here are 7 seeds of wheat for each of you. Take them home. Plant and nurture them for 6 weeks. At the end of the 6th week, we shall see who has done the best job of nurturing them. That person will be the heir to the throne. The king said that this is the last test for you all. One who passes this test will be the winner. You all know that one who wins this competition will be heir to my throne. Throne means the royal seat. Yes, where the king used to sit. And the king continued, our kingdom depends on agriculture, so the new leader must know how to grow plants. So he said that here are 7 seeds of wheat for each of you. So take the seeds to home and plant and nurture them. Nurture means take care and protect and grow them. At the end of the 6th week, we shall see who has done the best job of nurturing them. The king told the children to take the seeds to home and plant them and take care of them and bring after 6 weeks. At the end of the 6th week, who has done the good job, that person will be the heir to the throne. Yes, whose plants has grown well, that person will be the heir to the throne. Let us see who is the winner in the next video.